Right on my screen here is the current trade I am currently on Bitcoin, and this trade is looking. I don't know. I really don't know what to say right now because the trade is somehow looking like something that's not gonna hold. You guys remember the last trade I took? That was last weekend, yeah, on Thursday. Currently still on that trade. The trade has gone up to 1:8, or 1:10. That's come down almost towards my entry again, and at my entry, it gave me another entry again, which was at this particular point right here, and we currently took it. I really don't know what Bitcoin is doing. That's honest truth. At this point now, it's not just not even defined. Like it's not. I don't know that it's the thing not the one I get confirmed to reverse or what. I don't know. But just it's not really giving us what we really want actually. But anyway, I just take a trade and whatever happens, let it happen. Just it's part of it. I just take it like that. And so currently long on Bitcoin, which is this trade. It has gone up here. I retrace back to this place. Whatever I want to do, it's up to it. Then another trade that we are currently on right now is gold, which is this gold right here. We took this. As you can see, this the trade here. We had this trend line breakout yesterday, but unfortunately, you guys know I don't trade trend line breakouts. Understand? Even though I know that this trade is like you're gonna hold, but it's not in my trading rules. Like it's not my setup, so I just have to skip it. I know it sounds very stupid, but sometimes it helps. It helps sometimes. Just know what you want and stick to it. So this trade went up and we did not take it. Now our setup happens here, which was at this point, which is here. Yeah, this neckline up here, it gave us a reversal which we took short, and this is the trade right here, which we currently took short, and we are currently on this trade. This is the trade there, and our take profit is at this low, you know. So we're just currently watching the trade and see what's gonna happen on maybe probably and see what is really gonna offer us and see what it can offer us. But it's not really a bad one anyways. It's not really a bad one. Just the stuff is not looking bad. It looks somehow quality, but you guys know good lately has been like it's had this upward trend, and we're trying to watch whether the reversal we actually eventually or actually hold actually. So that's why we are just looking at it. So just look at the two trade I'm right now, and the one that is spending me most is Bitcoin because this Bitcoin actually took this trade on two accounts, both my funded and my personal account. That's both my profile and personal account. Why this one? I took it on my profile account and I placed limit buy on my personal account, and obviously it has not triggered because my limit buy is somewhere up here, right here. This is where my limit buy is somewhere right here. And the market never gets. But I was thinking the market is gonna do something like this before it started going down. But more since like my thoughts on, I was thinking it's gonna go up like this before it's gonna start going down. But unfortunately, it did not do anything like that. So we just we all take it and see what whatever happens, just out of it. So this is just because the two trade we are on right now. So you guys can I'll keep you guys updated on whatever I thought out to be.